I'm John with Consumer Electronics Group. Today we're going to be reviewing the Tivax STB-T9 digital to analog converter box. Here's the actual packaging. Inside what you'll find is an actual nice user manual with setup guide, a remote control with batteries, a RF cable, or otherwise known as a coax cable, RCA cables, and the actual converter box itself. On the back of the box, I will show you quickly the connection styles. We have our power source, which it's a hard connection versus an actual connection cord that is separate from the box. It has a connection port for servicing if it needs servicing. Also RCA cable connections as a secondary connection source. A smart antenna connection, which is not available on all boxes. It has a selector source from channels 3 to 4 to choose your option of which channel you will view on your analog television. And also your RF in and your RF out. What this is used for is your antenna in and then your out to your TV. This is an actual very sturdy box. You can almost set things on top of it like a DVD player if you had to do such a thing, and it would hold up to such an occurrence. We'll connect now by first plugging it into our power source in our wall of 110 volts. And I've taken the liberty of taking our RF cable, connecting it to the back of our analog television via the threads on the back of the TV. And now I will take it and connect it to our converter box on the out port from the box. Out is going to the television. I will simply thread it on the back of the box itself. I will take our antenna here, which serves the purpose of our analog television, take the cable that comes off of that, which is also an RF cable or a coax cable, thread it to the RF in port, where it sends the signal into the box. And once we have got tight, secure connections, we will go ahead and take our remote control, insert our batteries in the proper direction as shown inside the case. Simply turn on our television, ensure our converter box is turned on, which it is. We will turn our channel to channel 3 once our television has come on. And once we've got to that point, I will simply select menu on the box. And if you see here underneath where our actual channel is shown, it says auto program. I will push the right arrow, which is showing me here, to do so, and it will start automatically scanning the channels. This will take a little bit of time to ensure that it selects all the channels properly. It'll tell you the number of digital channels found at the time it is scanning, and the progress of the percentage it is complete as it goes through the signals. It's finished, it will complete the scan guide. You can simply select exit and start enjoying digital television. As you can see, we've got our channels on our right hand side. We select through our channels. It's formatted in a 3- something number, 6- whatever, because the actual channels are able to be selected into more channels per the channel you had before on your television. And we're simply going to now enjoy digital television programming. And that concludes our review on the Tivax Digital to Analog Converter Box.